Go away. Go now. Go.
Then go over Canvas modules and students checklist. Complete welcome to 7th grade Google form and answer garden exit ticket.
All right, I want you to show me
those I don't even know.
on your screen with a thumbs up or by using the reactions button how the day has been so far. Like, things have been going surprisingly smoothly, gets a thumbs up. Things are not perfect, but we're doing okay, goes right here. And like, so far not so good, gets a thumbs down.
Okay.
Mine would probably go right about here because I kicked core 1 out of the meeting super early. That was my bad.
I'll probably do like in the middle of like the middle and the top.
How do I do reactions? I'm gonna just give it a thumbs up through like my monitor.
Wait, there's reactions? How do
I don't know. She said reactions button.
If we look at the bottom of the screen, you should have your little toolbar and there should be a little face that says reactions. If not, not the end of the world.
Toolbar.
All right, we are moving on.
I will give it a thumbs up.
So here are our classroom expectations that we need to figure out quickly. Number 1 is straightforward. All of the normal classroom expectations, if we were in class, apply right now. So in other words, if you wouldn't do it sitting in front of me in class, you shouldn't be doing it now. Keep in mind, actually we'll come to this in 4. So basically use common sense. It doesn't feel like you're in class because you're at your house, but you're in class and you need to act appropriately. 2, give yourself a good work area. It looks like a lot of you are in your bedrooms. I am in our guest bedroom. It's the best we can do.
Not my exact bedroom, my grandma's extra bedroom.
Yeah, try to give yourself just, a quiet space where you can think without interruptions. 3, while I am talking or if I have somebody else talking, you need to stay on mute. We don't want to talk over each other. You can raise your hand like this in your video if you want to talk, or there's a raise your hand options if you open like your participants in your chat window. So there are ways. Or if you have a question, you can type it to me in the chat. Those are going to be the easiest ways to get my attention. If for some reason you're sitting there and you're like this for 5 minutes and I'm completely ignoring you, then take yourself off mute and be like, Miss Gall, I have something to say. Miss Gall, I have a question. That type of thing. You do not need to have your cameras on. It does make it a little bit easier, and I like to see your faces so that I know what faces go with what names. Yeah, the chat's on private, so they're all coming to me right now. So anything you put in the chat. We had some kids in the last class that couldn't handle having the chat open. I forgot what I was saying. Oh, I like to see your faces because I like to feel like I'm actually getting to know you, not a blank screen with your name on it. And 4, this one's important for you to remember. All meetings and anytime we go to a breakout room, you are being recorded. So what that means is don't do something that you don't want people to see. One of these classes will be posted online every day for people to watch. So potentially you could have 60 other 7th graders watching your video. The chat is also saved immediately. So just be smart with what you're doing. Questions on those? We'll briefly go over those every day, but I feel like they're pretty straightforward, especially the first one. Like, you wouldn't sit in class if Ms. Gall was teaching, you wouldn't sit at your desk with your phone in front of your face scrolling, probably, right? I realize most of you probably have your phone sitting right next to you, but try to stay focused, stuff like that. And that's okay. I have my phone obviously sitting right next to me, but in class, I wouldn't sit here while you guys are doing work. Like if I say, okay, go take the attendance quiz, and then you see me in my window checking my emails on my phone. That's not how I would act in class, so I'm not going to do it here.
I have the same phone as you. It's just a different color.
All right, next up, we are going to do a quick scavenger hunt. What this means is, in your house, I'm going to put a list up. You're going to get about, it was like 5 to 7 minutes last class to go find, where the goal is 2 things, to find as many as you can and to be as creative as you can in finding them. So it's a big list. I'll put this timer back on, and then you are going to get up and try to be creative and find the ones that you like. Nobody's going to get all of them. There's like 24 things. That's a lot, especially because then you have to put them all back after you get them out. So pick ones you like, ones you think you can be creative with, funny with, anything like that. I'll start the timer and then we'll share some of those items when we get back. Questions on the scavenger hunt. So if you have a question, raise your hand. No, you can shake your head no. You can give me thumbs up. You can show me a thumbs up on the screen. All of those good ways to communicate with each other. Let's get this timer going again. We'll set it for 10. I probably won't give you the full 10. It's not actually going. There we go. And your scavenger hunt list is this guy. So now I should see people disappearing from my screen because they're going to get things creative, funny. Everybody needs at least one item.
I got something with the nose.
All right, have him sit and wait.
Are you good, Dane?
Hi, bud.
I can only find a few things, so I just found this box my grandma has.
That's all right. When you're ready.
And so you said shiny. I found this like shiny rock that says strength. And
Okay,
this
hold on
one's
to it,
kind
Audrey. I'm
of
gonna
big.
have to share with the whole class when they get back.
Oh, okay.
Not just me.
Well,
The last class wasn't super creative. Let's see if you guys can do better.
I'm pretty sure I found everything.
Really?
I mean, I haven't looked at everything, but I can name off the top of my head, and I know it's there.
My bad. With metal.
You've got about 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Again, I want everyone to have at least one item. Whoa.
I was muted that whole time. I had a fork, a snake, a chair, and a book.
Stay muted.
that is very. I don't have very many like interesting stuff. It's kind of like antique stuff, because you know how grandmas are with antiques. So I don't really have very many like things. I tried to find as much stuff as I could. Not very many stuff though. Still got a few more actually.
I'm thinking about 1 minute here, and then we'll do some sharing.
I finished.
Crocked.
Somebody just left.
I can hold the phone. Yellow.
There's many things are
With
surrounded in my area right now.
I know I can't really find that many stuff. I don't really have that many things. Just old stuff.
We're gonna share in 15 seconds.
Okay.
I had to put everything back. That was a pain. I had to go into the depths of my little brother's closet just to get that snake and then put it back.
Oh no, I'm gonna have to put all this back. Dang it.
All right, let's give, I've still got a couple blank screens, so let's give 20 seconds. Be ready to share at least one of your items. The way you'll share is I'll either call on you randomly, I like to use the word volunteers you, or you can raise your hand in the picture, raise your hand on the screen.
Wait, is there something that has a magnet? I'm looking through. I don't see it, but
All right, we are going to start the sharing process. Go ahead.
I'm gonna get my dog.
This is my thing that has paws. This is Dakota. She's done. And the other one's too big to pick up, so I'm not going to pick him up. Do we have someone who wants to share first? Raise your hand.
Me.
Okay, Audrey,
Me.
you're up. So everyone right now is
So-
listening to Audrey.
So something like that has a pattern and can open and close. I found this like little antique box with some of my grandma's jewelry and stuff in it. And then as something that smells, I just found this old perfume.
Oh,
And then like something shiny, there's this rock that says strength that I found.
nice.
And then I guess round, this coaster.
Oh,
And well, most of the stuff, I mean, like, I think it'd be easier if I just like moved my camera to show you instead, because it's so.
Maybe pick
I guess
one
something.
more thing.
Oh wait, something that has this on and off switch. This lamp right here. And I mean, I don't really. Oh, here's something shiny that I wanted to share too. Oh no. So these metal things right here, my grandma made. She's a metal artist.
Oh, cool. Yeah, that's super
Yeah, so
blacksmith.
she kind of does a lot of like metal artwork. She's got a lot of it around the house. It's really cool. She makes these little like people out of metal. She gave me one, and I have one of it in the room that I usually
That's
sleep in
definitely
when I come
creative.
over.
I don't think anyone else will have that. What else we got?
Oh no, she's really good at it too. She does these like emperors, these princesses, like she names them too, and then she like sells them and stuff. It's really cool.
Very cool. Who else?
I know. I don't think I've ever met a grandma who does that.
Addie, unmute yourself. You're up.
My thing with paws is my cat.
I love when they're like,
Just tried
"Don't
to
pick
attack
up."
me. And my thing to eat, Parmesan cheese.
A bag of Parmesan cheese.
Yep.
Very
And then
nice.
My favorite treat.
my thing with wheels is this remote controlled car that I found on the floor. Something round, can of spray adhesive.
Some spray glue. Those are all I like those. Those are all very, very random. All right, I'm going to practice
Yep, and
saying
that's
it
all.
right. Cassiana.
All right, for something fluffy and white, I have this stuffed doggo. It's
Is that
very
from the
fluffy
Pets movie?
and soft. It's soft and it's white.
Two birds with one
And you
stone.
can actually sit on it as well.
It is very large.
I know.
Very nice. Who else has something to share with us? Marley.
I do.
I have a bunch of shiny things since me and my mom collect rocks and crystals and stuff.
Oh,
There's a
very
bunch in my
cool.
hand right here.
Nice.
And also I have a few pieces of thunder rock or geode.
Oh, really cool. That's pretty.
And my mom has a giant amethyst in her room, but I can't show that.
I used to have one of the purple ones. I don't know where it went. Very nice. What else we got? Who's got something to share? Keenan, you're up.
For something that is soft and white, I got this penguin. And also for something that has a nose, penguin.
Does a penguin have a nose?
Yeah, they do, don't they?
Or is
It's
their
like a
nose their
beak.
mouth?
But speaking of amethyst, my grandma has a giant amethyst in her bathroom.
Good job. Lily, you're up.
Can I go after Lily?
Yes. You're on mute. Or no, you're not on mute. We can't hear you though. Do you need to move either maybe unplug your headphones or move the microphone on the headphones down? Mute. Lily, we can't hear you. I would maybe click on the little arrow next to the microphone. You might have to switch it to your headphones.
Now can you hear me?
Yes, now we can hear
Okay,
you.
here we go. So my item is metal and it has eyes and it's this tiny little pottery chicken.
That's metal?
Oh, it's can't think of what it is.
Ceramic or whatever?
Yeah, it's ceramic.
Very nice. Also very random.
Yes.
All right, Tucker, your turn.
Sweet. Okay, thank you. I have. I was trying to use a voice memo, but it's too quiet. Okay. My thing with paws is my dog, and then I have the thing with a nose is my. Well, it's not even really mine. It's my little brother's toy snake. And then I have a. Wait, what else was there? A book.
All I can see is your keyboard.
Yeah, I know. A book that opens and closes, and then a fork to eat with.
To eat with. Your fork is probably shiny too.
It is.
Yep, we've got a spoon. Anyone else want to share?
Oh, and the fork because it's made of metal.
And because it's made of metal.
And because it holds things.
George. George will be our last person to share.
Okay. So I found this Yoshi, and it has eyes. I found flashlight. A lot of things.
There it is. George, it's kind of hard to hear. You're breaking up a little bit. One of our internets is bad.
Turn on and off. Oh.
There we
And
go.
then
Nintendo
I found
Switch.
my Nintendo Switch. And that's button. So.
Good.
Uh,
All right, we have just over 5 minutes. So, let's see. I want to show you guys a video, and we can go over it again. So when you guys are in class, you will always need to have two screens open. George's audio is way behind him. He's on mute, but it's playing what he was saying. So you're always going to need the Zoom meeting open and then Canvas. You're going to do a lot of bouncing between the two screens, and that's a pain in the butt. So what I would suggest is as soon as you log in, you split your screen down the middle. I can play you guys this little video that shows how to do that super quick on Chromebook. You just have to have those two tabs, I think, in one thing, and then you can log in, and it's just a simple way to. So it says here's how to split it into two screens.
You like to have a split screen on your Chromebook, but you don't want to use an extension. Here are two ways to do it. Double tap right next to the next tab, and what'll happen is it'll split it in half. Then you can drag your one tab over. You can see you have a split screen. If you want to bring it back, you can just drag it back over and then double tap right there and you have it back to your full screen.
So if you haven't already done that, I'd practice that. It's pretty easy, but I think you have to have only the two tabs open. So you want to double tap, and that will make your screen small, and then you need to drag the tab over. So I would practice that right now, and I'll play it again if you want to watch this guy do it again.
I already did it.
Perfect.
Hi everyone, this is Brad. If you would like to have a split screen on your Chromebook, but you don't want to use an extension, here are two ways to do it. You just double tap right next to the next tab, and what'll happen is it'll split it in half. Then you can drag your one tab over. You can see you have a split screen. If you want to bring it back, you can just drag it back over and then double tap right there and you have it back to your full screen.
Okay, so again, I would recommend that when you start probably all your classes, but I can only speak to mine, you have those two things, because everything that I'm going to tell you to do when we're on the Zoom, you'll do it in Canvas. So you're going to need to see your Zoom so you can talk and chat with us, but also be doing things on your Canvas screen. We don't really have enough time to do any of the other things that we were going to do. Actually, what I want you to do is I want you to, we're going to skip ahead to our exit ticket. So what I want you to do, it says go back into the module and you'll see a link for Monday's to-dos that says exit ticket. When you click on that, it should open something called an answer garden. And there should be a question in that answer garden that you just quickly type and enter, and that's the last thing that you have to do for me today.
So we go to modules.
Yep, so if you're in your Canvas, I'll escape here to show you guys. If I go to Canvas, modules, so here's Monday. Here's where you see exit ticket.
Wait, I have a question. I don't see it.
Should be.
It's not in my module. No, it's not in my modules. It's probably not published or something.
Should be published.
Yeah, it's not in my Canvas calendar or on the modules page.
Do I have people who do see it? Nobody sees it? Fantastic.
To-dos, it's in to-dos underneath welcome to 7th grade form.
So there are some
far
people.
down.
Oh yeah, I found it.
That was also one of my slides today, was things are going to go wrong and it's okay. Miss Gall is probably going to screw up a lot. All right, so hopefully.
Wait, is it the quiz? Is it the quiz where it says welcome to 7th grade?
Nope, we skipped that. Go to the one that says exit ticket.
No, then I don't see it. Then I don't see the thing. No, I don't see it, Miss. No.
Is there anyone else who does?
I don't see that.
Does not see this. If you're not sharing your screen and you can't see it, you can put it in the chat. Let me give you the link.
Okay, I finished it.
I can't see it at all.
If you can't see it at all, I just put it in the, I'm putting it in the chat. So you can click that link in the chat.
Okay, let me go to Zoom real quick.
I did it.
If you did
Wait, we have to copy and paste it.
Yeah, from the chat you'll have to. If you did it, then you are free to check out. You get a 5-minute break before your next class. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. Yep, a 5-minute break before your next class. Otherwise, we'll do this same thing tomorrow.
Alrighty then. Well, bye.
Yep, once you see, if you see your word pop up here.
It's the end of class.
Wait. I have a question. I'm stressing out a little bit.
It's okay.
It's the end of the class already.
Yep.
Wait, this is math, right?
If we did it, does that give us, we did the exit ticket, does that mean we can leave?
That means you can leave if you did the exit ticket.
So like, do we have to get?
This is math, right?
Yes, Nathan, this is math.
Wait, okay, hold up. Wait, did you get it? Cause I can't see. I'm trying to submit it, but I can't. It says thanks. Tap another answer here.
Do you see, what did you type in?
I said good.
I see good here.
Oh, okay, so I'm good?
You're good.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bud, see you tomorrow. My people who are left, how we doing? Patrick? Did you get this on there? Did this work for you, bud? Awesome. If you've got it up there, you are free to go. Good job today, and we'll see you tomorrow. We'll do it again tomorrow.